Adding funds to your Exness account is a straightforward process, allowing you to deposit using a variety of payment methods like bank transfers, credit cards, e-wallets, and cryptocurrencies, depending on your location. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the deposit process. Log into your Exness account. Open the Exness website or mobile app and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the deposit section, usually accessible from the main dashboard or account area. Choose a payment method. Exness offers different deposit methods, including bank cards, e-wallets, online banking, and cryptocurrency options. Select the method that is convenient and available in your region. Note that each payment method may have different minimum deposit requirements. Enter deposit details. Choose the trading account you want to fund, specify the currency if required, and enter the deposit amount. Ensure that the deposit currency matches your account currency to avoid conversion fees. Confirm the deposit. Review the transaction details, then click Confirm or Deposit to proceed. You may be redirected to a secure payment page to complete the transaction. Wait for funds to reflect. Deposit processing time varies based on the method. Most e-wallet and cryptocurrency deposits are instant, while bank transfers may take longer.